Teaching your child to read doesn't require an education degree, just the right tools. That's why we've created Beginnings, a complete, open-and-go kindergarten reading curriculum. Each week centers around one letter, with daily activities that make learning both fun and practical. From hands-on letter bins and memory verses to playful sound practice, every moment is designed to build your child's confidence through discovery. Every lesson begins with a Bible story focused on a word that begins with the letter of the week. As you read the lesson aloud, children will learn timeless truths about God's character and focus on a memory verse for the week. Children will have opportunities to manipulate letter sounds in different parts of words that will lead to a strong foundation in early literacy skills. Through playful activities, your child will master letter recognition, confidently identifying each letter by sight and sound. These small victories build the momentum that leads to reading success. Unlike resources that introduce letters in alphabetical order, Beginnings introduces letters in a specific order, allowing kids to begin sounding out words by Lesson 7. Writing practice helps your child build a strong foundation in handwriting through traditional methods and sensory activities. Fine motor skills development is also integrated throughout the curriculum. Kids add a sticker to their progress chart at the end of each week, celebrating the letter sounds they've learned and building confidence as they see how far they've come. Since many kids don't learn to read with phonics alone, Beginnings includes other strategies, such as sight words. Our sight word flashcards help your child recognize high-frequency words at a glance, building fluid reading experiences that boost confidence and comprehension. Strategic review weeks reinforce everything your child has learned as they begin blending sounds to form complete words. With letter tiles, this process becomes tactile and intuitive. Your child will enjoy the playful learning as sounds come together to create meaning. To keep learning manageable and joyful, we've divided the curriculum into 2 parts. Book 1 flows seamlessly into Book 2, creating a natural progression for your school year. Begin your child's reading adventure with confidence, knowing you have everything you need. Order Beginnings today and watch your child's love of reading unfold.